Sure, let me introduce some recommended sightseeing spots in Ishikawa for foreign visitors. 5. Noto Peninsula. Located on the northern coast of Ishikawa, the Noto Peninsula offers stunning coastal scenery, quaint fishing villages, and picturesque landscapes. Take a scenic drive along the coast, visit Wajima City, known for its lacquerware, and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. 6. Maryuji Temple Ninja Temple. This unique temple, also known as the Ninja Temple, was designed with hidden passages, traps, and secret rooms to protect its inhabitants. Take a guided tour to discover the temple's intriguing architecture and learn about its fascinating history. 7. 21st Century Museum of Contemporary Art. For art enthusiasts, this museum in Kanazawa is a must-visit. It showcases contemporary artworks from both Japanese and international artists. The museum's unique circular design and interactive exhibits make it an engaging experience for visitors of all ages. 8. Wajima Morning Market. Held in Wajima City, this morning market offers a wide range of local products, including fresh seafood, vegetables, and handicrafts. Explore the stalls, interact with local vendors, and find unique souvenirs to take back home. Ishikawa Prefecture offers a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. By visiting these attractions, you can immerse yourself in the rich traditions of Japan while enjoying its scenic landscapes.